I think Gadar 2 is testimony of that fact because Gadar 1 broke all box office records, went on to become the biggest hit in the history of Indian cinema. And then last year, with blessings of God, blessings of Almighty, and of course, the love for Tara and Sakina, your lovely people made Gadar 2 again the love and the complete passion of the audiences and made it the biggest blockbuster in the history again. So I couldn't have asked for more. Yes, everywhere I go, this time round, it's not Amisha anymore, it's not Amisha ma'am, it's like Sakina ji, Sakina ji, Sakina ji. Or like Tara Singh fondly calls Sakina in the film Madam Ji. So that has become my identity more so than ever this time.
Absolutely, we keep hearing of Sakina traveling all over the world and stuff like that. It is so amazing to see that. So, Amisha ji, we are so thrilled to have you here in our midst. Is there any message you'd like to give everybody here?
I'd like to first of all take this opportunity to thank all of you for making this evening so special with such a warm welcome, and of course Global Oil for such a wonderful function that they have where they acknowledge the hard work of all the people that they've done over the year, and that's very important, because to give so much of your precious time and energy and to be rewarded for that, to be acknowledged for that. I think very few people, very few companies step up and do that, and Global Oil is one of them. They really do know how to keep everybody happy and appreciated. And it's my second time around here, so I can tell you that they're a wonderful, wonderful organization, and it's wonderful for me to be here.
And it's wonderful having you here, Amisha ji, once again. 27 years here, we're growing, and we're looking forward to you coming over more and more. You're always welcome, and we wish you all the very best. We're looking forward to a lot more of your spectacular success.
Rohan, can I have one small request?
Of course.
Amisha ma'am, it's not too much to ask for. I would really like to dance with you on Kaho Na Pyar Hai. I mean, I just love that step. I just love it. Can I get the music, guys?
But then the beautiful girl knows I can't say no.
Oh my gosh. लेकिन ये लोग ताली नहीं बजा रहे, कौन जोरों से ताली बजानी है? All right, we have DJ Sonal here with us, who's going to give us the track in a short while from now. लेकिन तब तक यार, हम लोग अगर कहो ना बोलेंगे तो आपको बोलना है प्यार है, और जितना जोर से बोलेंगे उतने में डीजे का की खुलेगा. Thank you so much, Amisha ma'am, for that beautiful, beautiful surprise that you gave us. And that dance was indeed so spectacular. I was standing there and watching, just like I watched you in the cinema halls, really. And Lekha, you have any more requests, or do we make Amisha ma'am?
I think she has done like.
और यहाँ पर आपसे बस यही चाहेंगे कि जोरों से ताली बजाएं दोस्तों. Let's all celebrate this moment here.
Can I have a huge, huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? We have Amisha Patel here.
Thank you so very much, Amisha ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhavna. Please make yourselves comfortable.